AI is getting faster every year, smarter, cheaper. Every week there's a new model, a new tool, a new headline saying AI will replace your job. And naturally, people ask the same question: which jobs will survive? But that's the wrong question. The real question is this: what kind of person can't be replaced by AI? AI doesn't replace humans, it replaces tasks. Anything that is repetitive, predictable, clearly defined. If a job is nothing more than a list of instructions, AI will eventually do it better. But some people don't work like instructions, they work like decision makers. First, people who define problems, not just solve them. AI is extremely good at answering questions, but it doesn't know which questions actually matter. It reacts. Humans decide direction. People who can look at chaos and say, "This is the real problem," will always be valuable. AI waits for input. These people create it. Second, people who think in systems. AI can optimize a task. Humans design the process. Seeing how things connect, how one decision affects another, is still a human advantage. Systems thinking is not about tools, it's about understanding cause and effect. AI assists inside the system. Humans build the system itself. Third, people who learn faster than they panic. Every technological shift creates fear, and fear freezes most people. They wait, they complain, they hope things go back to normal, but they never do. People who experiment instead of panicking turn disruption into advantage. They don't wait for permission, they test, adapt, and move forward. AI rewards speed of learning, not perfection. Fourth, people who combine logic with taste. AI can generate thousands of options, but it doesn't know which one feels right. Taste, intuition, judgment, context, these are not algorithms. Choosing what to keep and what to discard is where humans still lead. AI produces, humans curate. Fifth, people who adapt without losing direction. Tools change, platforms change, trends disappear. People who chase tools stay behind. People who understand principles can use any tool. They don't ask, which AI should I learn? They ask, what am I trying to build? And then they use AI to get there faster. Here's the truth most people miss. AI won't replace humans. Humans who stay static will be replaced by humans who evolve. This is not about being technical or creative or talented. It's about mindset. The future doesn't belong to job titles, it doesn't belong to degrees, and it doesn't belong to tools. It belongs to people who think clearly while everything else is changing. If you want to build that mindset and stay ahead of AI instead of chasing it, subscribe to Future Lens. This channel is about what's coming next before it becomes obvious.